So hello again. In this video, we're basically going to explore another part of Solidworks, which is the cutting ability, or the cut extruded cut. For this, we're going to make another cut to further kind of design a robot. So what I want to kind of do is I want to maybe make a slot right down that robot. You kind of like know how race cars have that fin on the back of them, and then that kind of helps them go faster. It'd be kind of cool if I made something like that. So let's sketch, and what we'll do is we'll kind of just look at all the different things, sketch planes we have, and I think I'll sketch in the front plane. And doing that, so I just click on front plane, since I want to just sketch against the front of the object, and since I don't really have any good flat surfaces to begin sketching on. So I'll just reset my view, and I'm going to just sketch against the front sketch plane. So we'll start a sketch, and I think I want to cut out a square or rectangular little part or car here. So I guess what the first thing I'll do is the best way to do that would be, I guess a corner rectangle would be kind of cool. Let's go with that. So say we want this little tail fin thing. Start with a little rectangle, and I'll adjust it right about here. That looks like a shape there. Now, of course, I just hand did that, not very accurate at all. So we're going to smart dimension it. So say I want, let's look at what this is currently already. This measurement is about 3.28 millimeters. Not very precise, or it is very precise, but it's not maybe the exact measurement I want. So maybe I want this to be exactly 3 units or 3 millimeters. That's good. I think I'll do the same to the other side. Get exactly 3. And then I'll finally click to the top, go between lines, and set a measurement, just like that. Enter in 3. Essentially now what we've got is we got this kind of shape all dimensioned. It looks pretty good. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to check this, now that the dimensioning is done. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut this out through the robot. So what we're going to do is actually switch our perspective. So as you can see, what I did is going on the front plane, I just kind of have a shape there, right? And I kind of want to cut it all the way through the robot. So what we're going to do is go to Features, and then Extrude Cut. Now, if you kind of move your perspective around, you can see that highlighted shape cuts through it. If I wanted to be more precise and say I had more, let's say my cut didn't originally go through all that much. That wouldn't be good to make my cut only go halfway. I want it to go through the entire thing. So what we'll do is just click here, and one thing we can do is just click through all. What that'll do is that'll ensure that the actual cut goes through as much of the SolidWorks document as possible. So it looks pretty good. As you can see, it completely goes to the exit boundary, which is the back side of the car. And we'll just click check and cut extrude. So what you can see is, again, I used an actual sketch or an outline and then extruded, or I did an extruded cut. So I basically extruded empty volume into the actual part. So it works the exact same as the extruded box base, except you end up cutting away at an object instead of actually putting more on it.